In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on About Phone. Now hit Rename under Current Device Name and type in whatever you want to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, hit Done. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!